Hello, I'm WBZ TV meteorologist Barry Burbank. I'll get your forecast for the rest of this day, this Saturday, and for the whole weekend, including Marathon Monday and Patriots Day and into next week. Well, a quick review of April so far, and pretty much dominated by blue squares, meaning below average days in terms of the temperature. Only 3 squares above, 10 below. Yesterday was a nice day with a plus 10. We actually got up to about 67 in Boston, and many areas near or slightly over 70 degrees. So that was quite a change. The mean temperature for the month now, because of yesterday's warm day, has been brought down to minus 3.6. Well, today's going to be a mild day with temperatures a little bit above average, especially away from the ocean, as we get closer to 60 degrees, upper 50s, near 60, farther inland later this morning and midday. And then because it's going to start cooling this afternoon, that'll probably put an end to it. If we were going to be warming up all day, we might go in the mid to upper 60s again, like yesterday, but probably won't happen as the sunshine fades away and gives way to clouds. So these would be our highs for the most part. In Connecticut, it's probably going to be closer to 70. West of Worcester, it's going to be over 60. But along the coast, especially on the North Shore, it's going to be cooling this afternoon back in the 40s. But look how warm it is not that far away from New England. I mean, look at this, 81 in Philadelphia today, 83 the nation's capital in Atlanta, almost 90 in Orlando. And there's a chunk of chill coming down through the plains and ramming up against this warm and humid air here, so there's going to be some severe weather once again, translating or shifting more to the east into the Tennessee Valley today and extending down toward New Orleans. Minneapolis is going to be getting several inches of snow coming up for today. A narrow swath on the northwestern flank of this intense storm is where they're getting spring-like snows and coming down pretty hard out there in a few areas. Meantime, here's the warmth, and as the cold front comes along, we get the showers and storms, some scattered tornadoes possible this afternoon, and severe storms, thunderstorms down in here from near Nashville and points south. But for us, we're watching this more active, a secondary cold front come down, and that's what's going to start introducing the colder air this afternoon, and it's really going to plunge tonight as very cold giant high-pressure center moves into eastern Canada. Once it gets over into the position up in here, the cold air is just going to rush down like crazy tomorrow with a northeast wind, which will be cold and brisk and blustery and really bone-chilling. So today we got the sunshine in southern New England giving way to more and more clouds developing this afternoon as the temperatures get up to 55 to 60 or a little bit higher, start falling from northeast to southwest during the day. And by 5 o'clock, we're down in the 40s, 43 in Boston to 45 in Worcester, and that cool air is already penetrating all the way into Connecticut after getting close to 70 there by midday. Overnight, we got temperatures continuing to fall off. Note the timestamp up here. We get to tomorrow morning. Oh my goodness, look what the temperature's down to. 32 in Boston tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock. 30 to 32. It's going to be producing some freezing rain and freezing drizzle and ice pellets in here as well. So that may cause some icing while it's just plain rain southeastern Massachusetts with maybe a few ice pellets mixed in. As we get into Monday morning, we get the heavier rain starting to move in. Most of the ice pellets and freezing rain well off to the north and west, maybe mixed with some heavier snow in some of the higher elevations as well. If we go to Fenway Park for any of the games against the Orioles, well, this afternoon's game, falling temperatures, 48 probably at first pitch, then falling into the mid and lower 40s by late this afternoon. There could be some late drizzle, but most of the precipitation comes down late tonight in the form of cold drizzle, and that's the way it'll be tomorrow. Cold drizzle, showers, and even ice pellets over Fenway Park. At first pitch temperature, if they have it, it's going to be so cold, it's unclear whether they will have the game. 34 tomorrow afternoon, and only 42 as they have first pitch at 11:05 on Monday, and it's going to be pretty wet then, so that game is in jeopardy as well. Tricky travel tonight and tomorrow. The most slippery weather out here in central Massachusetts westward. There could be pockets of slippery going here even just outside of Boston. And that's why the National Weather Service has a winter weather advisory up from 8 p.m. today to 8 p.m. tomorrow in this shaded zone here, farther northwest of the city. And that probably will be expanded across most of northern New England as well. The high temperature tomorrow probably is going to be happening tonight just after midnight. It may be a little bit higher than this, but during the day tomorrow, it's only going to be about 36 to 33 degrees, maybe about 36 at midnight or so. If that's the case, in any event, it's going to be the lowest high temperature for the date tomorrow for April 15th. For Marathon Monday, the storm is coming along, but it looks like it's going to move right up across extreme southern New England. Consequently, this warm front may not have any chance of penetrating close to Boston or to the northwest. So what does that mean? That means temperatures may not get much above the low and middle 40s on Monday afternoon after starting out in the upper 30s Monday morning. So here we are Monday with mixed snow and rain and some sleet going on north. The heavier rains are these yellows, oranges, and reds, and that comes through mainly in the afternoon. Bands of this rain coming through in the afternoon containing some thunder in there. So for the route in Hopkinton starting out Monday morning, about 36, as the runners come along the route, it's going to be sort of more of a headwind at first, then becoming a little bit more of a crosswind with time as winds turn from the east-northeast to east-southeast along the route. And note the temperature rise is very sluggish, maybe up to 46 in Boston by the end of the afternoon. That's the way it looks right now. So it's certainly going to be a wet Boston Marathon. Cold mist and showers blossoming into periods of heavier rain in the afternoon from west to east. Northeast wind at 20 to 40, 36 to 42 in the morning, ramping up to 42 to 48 in the afternoon. Looking ahead 7 days, there's the very cold day tomorrow with the ice pellets and the freezing drizzle and freezing rain and plain rain, and even some snowflakes may be mixed in close to the New Hampshire border. There's the wet weather on Marathon Monday with the wind, and breaks of sun coming through the clouds on Tuesday and Wednesday, low 50s both days, but each day there could be a spritz or a brief shower. That's your forecast. You can watch WBZ News tonight at 6 and 11 o'clock, and you can see it also at 8 o'clock on My TV 38. Have a nice weekend.